to another tips and tricks video for BIM Energy. Today we will look at the input in the usage step and specifically the building operational energy and occupancy energy. There are two input fields for each of them, both internal and external. Internal and external. Internal means that the energy is supplied to room air and heats the building, and this energy is included in the energy balance, in the supplied energy. External, on the other hand, means that the energy is not supplied to room air, but it will still be included in the energy consumption of the building. So what's the difference between the two categories, the building operational energy and occupancy energy? Both of them are linked to the activity in the building and the building's operations, regardless of the outdoor temperature. Building operational energy is included in the calculation of the energy performance indicator, and it could, for example, be lighting in public spaces in the building or electricity to the elevators. Occupancy energy is instead household energy from appliances in the kitchen or computers in residential buildings, for example. And occupancy energy is not included in the calculation of the energy performance indicator. A common word for these two categories are process energy here in BIM Energy, and in the result we find the process energy internal here in the supplied energy in the energy balance.